Right, next up, I'm going to call upon a tea representative by the name of Sibusiso Chauke. Sibusiso Chauke was with tea when we started off in 2015 at Tembisa. So he's been part of the journey for the last 10 years. He'll tell you more about it and what we've done. And let's give him a round of applause as he comes on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Sibusiso Chauke. Come on, come on, come on. Soweto, 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 Soweto. Asimshayeleni izandla. Over to you, my brother.
Thank you so much. A very good morning to everybody in the room. Thank you so much, Soweto. Welcome to our Soweto edition of Kasi Business Workshop. Tell you more about how we started the journey. It's a bit, it's a journey that started in 2015. This year marks a good 10 years hosting these workshops. Thank you. It's been an interesting journey, and just to further unpack the journey, we've actually been hosting these workshops in and around Ekasi, particularly at Tembisa, and through the years, we've actually grown to actually host these in different townships. This is in across South Africa. We've actually hosted these in different provinces, and we've immensely grown globally as well. We've got audiences in and around like your countries like your USA, neighboring countries like your Namibia, Botswana. We've got followings in those areas. And over the past few years we've hosted these, we've seen a direct support of 80,000 plus entrepreneurs being supported through these initiatives. And yeah, our partnership with Nedbank as well has helped us through hosting these in over 38 townships. And through these 38 townships, we've seen a direct impact of, say, 36,000 entrepreneurs being equipped with further skills, enterprise development. And a big thank you to Nedbank for walking this journey with us. Big thank you to our stakeholders as well, our community for supporting us through these workshops. And so yeah, it's a journey that's helped entrepreneurs in so many ways. And what I'd ask from you is the person sitting next to you, get to know the person. That is the most important person in the room. Secondly, at least find 6 people that you did not come with and get to know those people. I think I'll end it from here. Thank you.